Now the head pieces are out. And you're good to go. And you're good to carry this motor onto this little table here. And then we can go ahead and put the wheel on. And I can go ahead and show you guys that. So our motor's almost ready to get put on this little table here. Put that wheel on, the yellow wheel, and then we can go ahead and put around that wheel assembly. So we're getting there, guys. Alrighty, guys, I got the motor ready to go. As you can see, the big crane hooked onto the motor. We're gonna go ahead and lift it up and get this one that's swinging underneath so we can turn it around and put it on the stand there. So do exactly that. So we do that by slowly lifting this with a control. We're gonna lift it up nice and slow. Nice and slow. We're gonna lift it up. So there it goes. It is lifted up from the ground, as you can see. And now we're gonna go ahead and just lift it up all the way. Bring it over east. Right. And then we're going to get this one hooked up underneath. And lift it up all the way. As you can see, we're lifting it up, turning it around, just like so. Now that they're both lifted up and we flipped it around, we're going to bring her down and we're going to bring her right on that table. Like so. Just like so. Bring her down. Bring her over. Just like so.